Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Poco Buds Pro. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install this application. It's a non-official app, but still you can enable a lot of features here. And the first one, top trick, as these headphones have ANC. Now I put it to my ear to show it to you. And right here we have 4 presets, so you can choose the best one for you. Why not? Next one, these headphones also have transparency mode, so if you want to speak with somewhere, you don't need to take off your headphones. You just enable this mode by gesture or in the application, and you can also click on Enhance Voice to hear your voice better. It's up to you. Next one, these headphones haven't bass boost, but it have something like enhanced bass right here, so you can enable and improve basses on your song. Next one, these headphones have dual connection, so I really like it. Why not? You can connect two devices to your headphones without any disconnect or unpair. And the last one, that you can perform ear tip fit test, so to take a feedback and you can check is everything okay with it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.